Welcome to this moment of calm. You're here to find stillness and to let your mind and body soften. For the best experience, listen with headphones. Find a comfortable seat or a spot where you can relax and feel supported. Take a moment to settle in. Pause the video if you need to get comfortable, and begin when you're ready. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale fully, letting go of any tension. Notice where your body connects with the ground beneath you. Feel that steady support. With each breath, imagine the weight of your body gently sinking into safety. Now, breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for a count of 2. And exhale slowly through your mouth for 6. Let's repeat that. In for 4. Hold for 2. Out for 6. Notice how your breath begins to steady itself. As you breathe, imagine a soft light forming in the center of your chest. This light grows warmer with each inhale and spreads calm through your body with each exhale. If thoughts come, that's okay. Acknowledge them gently and let them drift by like clouds. Bring your awareness to this very moment. Notice your breath, your heartbeat, the sounds around you. You're safe right now. You are supported. You are enough. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this sense of calm into the rest of your day. You've done something kind for yourself. Thank you for joining Restful Mind Meditations. Please like and subscribe for more moments of calm. Namaste.